Alright, so let's take a look at Part D. Part D gives you the function p of x equals f of x squared minus x. It asks you for the slope of the line tangent to the graph of p. So right there we know we're going to need a derivative because that gives you the slope of the tangent line. So p prime of x equals derivative of the outside function f prime at x squared minus x times the derivative of the inside, which is a 2x minus 1. Alright, now it specifically wants this at a point where x equals negative 1. So we're looking at p prime of negative 1, which would be f prime of negative 1 squared minus negative 1 times 2 times negative 1 minus 1. Alright, so if I clean that up a little bit, I get f prime of, that's a 1 plus 1, so 2. Alright, and then we have times 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, minus 1 is negative 3. So that whole thing times negative 3. Alright, so for f prime of 2, we're going to have to go back up to the graph. And sorry, make that f prime, yeah, so f2. Alright, if I go back up to the graph at that, I go over to 2, which is right here. Alright, and then f prime is the slope. We've already established the slope of this line was m equals negative 2. We did that back in an earlier part when we were trying to find the area of that first rectangle. So we have slope of negative 2. So that tells me that this piece is a negative 2. We have that times a negative 3. That's going to give us a 6. Alright, so we'll say the slope of the line tangent to p at x equals negative 1 is 6. Alright, and that'd be our final answer for that one. Hope that helps. Thanks.